Now this next section, and it's not really a section, it's 3 different parts, and this is very straightforward. This is what you want to put aside for yourself every mile to your maintenance account for in case of repairs. And this is just so you're building an account that is constantly accumulating money. So if you ever have a blown tire, if you have to do your preventative maintenance, or if anything needs to be done in the truck, you always had an account that was always kind of growing, where that you can pull money from that can go to fixing your truck. Okay, for me, I do 10 cents. I do 10 cents a mile. You can do whatever you want. I do 10 cents a mile. 10 cents a mile for every mile I do. If I do 35, 100 miles, and there's $350 is going into that account. Just so when something does happen, I pull out of that account, and it's not something I really miss out of my profits. When I'm taking my profits, I know I can put that somewhere else. And when you have your maintenance account build up, like, you still kind of want to start off with something like maybe $5,000-$6,000 you want in your maintenance account, but consistently grow your maintenance account. Go ahead and account for every time your truck moves, every mile your truck moves, there's a certain amount of money that you're going to put into that maintenance account. So whatever you decide that's going to be, you will put that in this section right here, and that's going to calculate into all these other costs. Dispatch, if it's done by a percentage, that's going to go here. So you just go ahead and put that percentages, whatever they're charging you. If it's 3%, 5%, 10%, you put that there. And your factoring, whatever you want to, well, whatever your factoring is charging you, that's the part you want to put there, and that will kind of help factor in some things where you kind of get an estimate. So whether you're getting charged, the 3.5, 3%, 2%, I get 1.25, and if you want help with that, just let me know. There's a form off to the bottom left of the sheet, and you can fill out, and I'll try to see if I can get you something a little bit better. But you definitely want to put your factoring in there, and that will help kind of guesstimate some of these costs when you're estimating out some of these contracts that you're getting. All right.